is a baddie. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? I don't know. I don't see her. I see her. I don't know. I don't know. Alright guys, let's get into this get ready with me. Today the hair I'm going to be installing is Rulinda hair. I found them on Amazon, and when I saw this wig I was like, honey, like, install me now because this wig is fire. But this is their 14-inch highlighted wig, and it says bleach knots. But let me see if I could tap in. It says bleach knots, but we'll see if the knots is really bleached. If they not, I'm still gonna bleach them regardless, so it don't matter. So let's just open up the hair. It comes in a bag like this. Ooh, let's see, honey. Okay, got the nice little knit. Okay, it don't have that stinky smell to it, and this is the wig. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that on my skin tone. Watch, when I install this, y'all gonna be like, Grwm. You like this? Cute.
Like this girl. Cute.
This is their, I believe this is a 13x6 frontal. Okay, you can see the inside, neatly stitched. It has the comb parts. It has the hooks in the back, so my hair could be secure, okay, period. And it's already parted in the middle for you, so I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I like that or dislike it, because I really don't like my parts to be plucked already. I rather like pluck them myself. But if you don't know how to pluck, then this is great for you. So yeah, I really like this hair. It looks like the hair is very thin. It's not really thick when it comes to the frontal, so I don't think it's going to be that hard for me to bleach the knots, or I should say pluck. But it's definitely like some brown spots, so I'm definitely going to go back in and try to bleach the knots again. But yeah, it's really nice. It's thick at the bottom. I like that it's shaky, it's bouncy, so I'm actually excited about this hair. And the hair box comes with a wig cap, and that's it. That's it. No lashes, no lashes. But I got on lashes today, so I'm still lit. I'm still popping. Let's stop talking and let's get into this install. Period. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and I bleached the knots. I washed the hair, dried the hair, plucked it out a little bit. Y'all could see a little sign. You feel me? A little sign. And I really like this hair. Like, it's mad soft. I love the color. I can't wait till I put this on and then I blend it in. It's gonna be popping. It's gonna be shimming. But let's get started. So I cut it into 4 flaps. If I'm looking this way, that's because my mirror is this way, and I feel real confident talking in the mirror than talking to the camera. I don't know, it's a YouTube thing. I did my ball cap method. Don't judge me on my ball cap because I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm none of that. So this is like my second or third time trying to put on a wig, and I was watching videos. So yeah, this is the outcome. Basically, I'm about to go ahead and put these layers on, and then after that, we're gonna get it popping. I want to chit chat with y'all a little bit. I'm not really a fan of talking unless I got something to really talk about. But so I'm gonna put some dots around my head. I think that's how she did it. Between the thing. So yeah, I'm watching Real Housewives of New York season like 4. Yo, these girls is mixy. They like rich white girls from New York City, excuse me, and they just like, you know, do things that regular housewives do. Pop stuff about each other, go on vacations, act like they all lovey-dovey, then find something to beef about. But they like, this season, they like teamed up into like 2 groups. So they going head to head towards each other, and it is mad funny. It's like the blondes versus the brunettes. If you don't know what brunettes is, it's brown, people with brown hair. So they going against each other. You might hear it in the background, but they really like going hard. Like, they really beefing it out, and I really don't understand. It's about stupid stuff like, oh, she said she was talking about me, but they don't even have proof that she was talking about her. And then when they wanted to go confront the girl, she ain't even there. Girls is fake. Dudes is fake too, like, don't get it twisted. Dudes is fake too, but girls is just phony. Yeah, I don't know what just happened, but my laptop was bugging out. So I had to turn off the New York one and go to the Orange County. Like, all of them is funny, but I think my favorite Real Housewives right now is the two most popular ones, and the best ones is Real Housewives of Atlanta and Real Housewives of Potomac. If y'all didn't watch Potomac, y'all missing out. Them Potomac girls be wildin'. This Potomac is in Maryland, and they're like near Washington DC, so you know everybody around here is either HBCU colleges around there, you know, the all black colleges. So some of them got their doctorates, some of them got their bachelors, masters, so they're really high up. But to me, the Potomac one, their like relationships with their family is really phony. Like, they're not all married. Like, only one that's really married is Candace, and she pop it off. That she young brown skin thing, she pop it off. And who else? It's another girl, I think her name is Wendy, African. Shout out to my Africans, because they really work hard, like, no matter what. She got her doctorate degree, she's married, got 3 kids, she's doing it up, professor, all that. So shout out to her. And she does some political thing on the news. She's on the TV, you can look her up. What's that light-skinned girl name? I can't remember her name right now. Oh, you got, what's the name too? She's very pretty. I done watched all the freaking seasons of, like, all the freaking cities. So I'm kind of like lost up in names right now, but y'all should search it up because they lit. I don't know if I told y'all, I'm using the Boho Active. I wanted to try this glue today because Ghost Spawn, I'm allergic to. I don't know, every time I go get my hair done by the stylist, my lace be lifting up, or B, like, it just don't be laying at all. I'm about to go ahead and let this layer dry. I'm gonna rub it in and let this layer dry, and then I'm gonna come back and spit some other stuff. Alright y'all, so we about to lay this lace or whatever, and I'm about to go ahead and just put it on there. Make sure that it's on there.
Got any plans for the weekend?
Alright y'all, I'm back, and I went ahead and laid the lace. The baby is giving body. Not yet, I still gotta do the baby hairs, but it's not going nowhere. She's not going nowhere. So yeah, I really like this the way. I'm about to clean it up though right now. I'm about to add some baby hairs, then I'm going to cut it, and then flat iron it. I think I want to give it layers. I have to see if I have my green shear, because if I don't, I'm gonna be fucked up. I like this color. I'm trying to think, should I do sideburns? I think so. I don't know why it looks ashy. Like here it's clear, but right here is giving ashy. But I think I can cover that up, and then I kind of messed up in this part right here. But I'm gonna put a thing right here. So I'm about to hook it up. I'm about to hook it up right now. Give it a part body. I'm about to give body. Watch me right now. Watch me do it. I don't even know how to cut baby hairs. Mystery. Let me see what this is looking like. I was told the more mousse, the better. It is falling on my face. For the mousse though, right? Oh, no. Hold on, cause we're not doing that. We're not giving bad baby hairs today. We need to learn how to do better baby hair. Hold on. Alright y'all, so I know I look crazy right now, but this is the only way I could secure the edges down because they just kept moving. I don't know, I was using the mousse that Tay was using, Arrogant Tay, which is this olive oil mousse right here. But I think this got alcohol in it because as soon as I used it, it made my glue lift up. I'm about to flat iron my hair. Period. And then after that, we gonna reveal what's underneath here because I don't know what's underneath here, and then I'm gonna fix the part and everything. So we'll see. The baby hairs look cute, but I don't know, I can't make good baby hairs, so I made like some nice pretty swoops and call it a day. This hair is really good. Like, I'm really shocked because even though it was an affordable price, I thought the quality would be bad. But like, I'm flat ironing this hair right now and it's like silk pressing forever, and the color really kept. I don't know what the girl was talking about when she said that she got no color, or hers came out really dry, because mine is coming out silky as hell and it's silk pressing like there's no tomorrow.
So what if I wake up with an attitude? You assuming that I must be mad at you. Didn't get no sleep with you last night. Know it hurts when I swear, but I had to. So what if I wake up with an attitude? You assuming that I must be mad at you. Didn't get no sleep with you last night. Know it hurts when I swear, but I had to. So
I just finished cutting the hair and look at it. I hope I did it right. I hope it looks right to y'all. Comment down below if it looks right, because I don't know. Let me turn off the light real quick so y'all can see it. This color is really nice on me, like, especially because I got a little lighter, because you know it's winter season or whatever.
Bitch, you guessing.
Good, like, I just hope underneath here it looks good, because I'm gonna be upset if it don't. Cut it. Ooh. I'm gonna cut my hair. Okay. Hold on. Cut.
Yes, bitch, yes.
Hold on. Hold on, cuz. I'm feeling myself. Who's this? Who that is? Who that is? But she's giving. She's just giving. It's giving. Like it's giving. I don't got nothing else to say. I'm gonna define the part a little bit real quick, because I know y'all see the little flyer haze. Yes. Check. We in check. I wish I had the thing. This would have been perfect so I could spray the little black thing, but I don't have that, so I'm trying to see if I could do this instead.
So what if I wake up with an attitude? You assuming that I must be mad at you. Didn't get no sleep with you last night. Know it hurts when I swerve, but I had to. So
Baby girl is giving. It's really giving right now. It's giving hard body. It's giving like thanks motherfucking giving. Play with it too much. I'm gonna go wrap my hair up now, and I will see you guys at my makeup appointment. So yeah, let's go. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.